Very good morning, class 9th students. Dear, we have completed many parts of chapter cell. Till that we have finished cell membrane, cell wall, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria. These parts we have completed. Now we are going to see today the next thing that is present in cell cytoplasm. It is plastid. Okay, so today we will see about the plastids. Okay, so these are a kind of cell organelle, means they are the part of the cell organelles. These cell organelles, first of all, double membrane bounded. और आपने किसी को याद किया जो डबल मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड है? आई एम टेलिंग यू, mitochondria, it was double membrane bound. We studied mitochondria, it was double membrane. Then nucleus we have studied. Nucleus is also double membrane bound, right? And third is plastid, it is also double membrane bound. So in a cell there are three double membrane bound cell organelles: nucleus, mitochondria, and third is plastid. But their presence, let us see, they are present in autotrophic cells. Autotrophic cells means those who can prepare the food. So generally it is present in plants. All plant cells, green cells or green plant cells which do photosynthesis, they have these plastids. Okay, so plastids means you can say they are pigment, एक तरह का कलर है. It's a pigment which is present in plants, right? And these pigments or colors, they have some types. They are of three types. The pigments, they are of three types. मतलब आप ऐसा समझो कि मान लो कि ये प्लास्टिड है. अब इसके अंदर अगर ब्लू, येलो, रेड ऐसा कुछ कलर भरा है तो उसका नाम कुछ और होगा. मान लीजिए ये प्लास्टिड है. इसके अंदर अगर आपका फूड भरा हुआ है तो वो कुछ और होगा. और इसमें और कुछ भरा है तो सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द color or the material plastid are containing, they have three types. Okay, so let us see there are three types. So type number 1 is क्लोरोप्लास्ट. क्लोरोप्लास्ट में क्या होगा? क्लोरोफिल. दे कंटेन क्लोरोफिल. और क्या कलर होगा इनका? ग्रीन. सेकेंड इज क्रोमोप्लास्ट. क्रोमोप्लास्ट में क्लोरोफिल के अलावा बाकी कलर्स होते हैं. कंटेन ज़ेंथोफिल, कैरोटीन, लाइक कैरेट. इसमें जो कैरेट का जो कलर है वो क्रोमोप्लास्ट के कारण है. लीव्स का जो ग्रीन कलर है वो क्लोरोप्लास्ट के कारण है, जिसमें क्लोरोफिल है. एंड थर्ड इज ल्यूकोप्लास्ट. दे कंटेन फूड मटेरियल, स्पेशली प्रोटीन, स्टार्च और फैट. ठीक है, तीन. So in this way plastids are classified into three categories. Plastids are classified into three categories. Category number 1 chloroplast, category number 2 chromoplast, category number 3 leucoplast. Okay, clear? Now today we will see about the chloroplast. In your textbook we will study about the chloroplast. ठीक है. So let's continue with chloroplast. Okay, it is green pigment containing, मतलब chloroplast is a kind of, you can say, container inside which chlorophyll is filled. So let us see it. Their shape may be round, spherical, triangular, all, but if we cut that chloroplast, then clearly we can see two membranes, outer eye drawn, and this is inner membrane. Okay, inside this inner membrane you can observe coin like structures. They are connected to each other, and a heap, you can see heap of coins. Like that, right? Okay, and apart from that some liquid is filled, and starch is filled. And one more important thing, there is one circular structure, it's also present, right? So now we can label it. It is outer membrane, it is inner membrane. वो जो लिक्विड है, लिक्विड इज स्ट्रोमा, या आप कह सकते हैं मैट्रिक्स, स्ट्रोमा और मैट्रिक्स. एंड दीज कॉइन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, ये जो हैं these coin like structures are grana, right? And inside grana what is filled? Chlorophyll. मतलब आप सोच के देखो, inside the leaf cells are there, inside the leaf cell cytoplasm is there, inside cytoplasm plastid is there, and one kind of plastid is chloroplast. Inside chloroplast grana is there, and inside grana chlorophyll is there, and here photosynthesis takes place. Here photosynthesis is taking place. Okay, so what is this circular area? This is सर्कुलर डीएनए. मतलब ये भी एक तरह का कैसा ऑर्गन है? ऑटोनोमस organelle, because it can also perform its own function by itself, right? Because it has its own DNA. इसका अपना खुद का DNA है. ओके, ऐसे ही किस में था? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में भी अपना खुद का DNA था, राइट? सो दीज टू ऑर्गन्स दे हैव सम सिमिलरिटीज, बट इट इज़ present in plant and animal both, but it is present only in plants because it is doing photosynthesis. Okay, what these molecules? These are starch molecules, because when photosynthesis, plants are doing photosynthesis, they synthesize food, and that food is what? Food, that is starch. So that starch is stored in this liquid part. So in this way we can say plastid is very important part of the plants, and it help the plants for giving some color as well as for photosynthesis. ठीक है? Okay. Now functions of plastid. Functions of plastid. So you have seen this chlorophyll. Chloroplast helps in photosynthesis. Second, you have written chromoplast. Chromoplast gives color to, किसको किसको कलर देता है? फ्लावर्स, इवन लीव्स, कई बार लीव्स भी येलो कलर के होते हैं ना, एंड फ्रूट्स, फ्रूट्स के येलो कलर, कई बार पिंक, रेड, ऑल वॉट एवर कलर्स आर देयर, they are by the leucoplast. And third function, third is chromoplast. Here again I want to correct it. Chromoplast gives color to flower, leaves and fruits. Last is leucoplast. Leucoplast help in storage of protein, फैट, स्टार्च. ये सब तीनों मिला के क्या है एक्चुअली? फूड. सो ल्यूकोप्लास्ट हेल्प इन स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड इन प्लांट्स. Okay dear, I am summarizing it here again. So we started today plastids. Plastids are cell organelles and they are double membrane bound. They are bounded by two membranes. Other than plastid, mitochondria and nucleus, they are also double membrane bound. So similarity or differences can be asked to you in examination, so need to be carefully understand these things. Okay, then plastids are present in autotrophic cells, means in plants. On the basis of their color or function, plastids are divided into three types. Chloroplast, they are green in color. Chromoplast, they may be red, yellow or many bright colors, that is chromoplast. Leucoplast, they are colorless, they don't have any color and they contain food material. Clear? Now let us see the structure and function. So this was the structure, here we studied. So it is green pigment containing, outer membrane and inner membrane, means double membranes are present. Inside part is filled with a liquid, that liquid is called as stroma. In stroma, these coin like structures are called as grana, and inside the grana chlorophyll is filled. This chlorophyll helps the plant for photosynthesis. Due to this chlorophyll only these plants are capable or able to do photosynthesis. Okay, then they have circular own DNA, that's why they are autonomous, means they are not so much dependent on nucleus. Okay, then functions. Chloroplast help in photosynthesis, already we discussed. Chromoplast gives color to flower, leaves and fruits, and leucoplast help in storage of protein, fat and starch, that is food. Okay dear, so you can prepare the notes and can go through. If any problem is there, please contact your teacher. Thank you.